shall perish, we shall protect us from all of fools. Take the Christ, His meant holy when that was thine, return the strength of peace. Hail to the from the sacred nations, oh Father, please be our sovereign. Defending thee shall be our dedication. Singing of God will cause a privilege. The waving storm of great memories of peace shall not rest of life of liberty. We shall emerge, triumphant from this morning, and through the crucible must path we pass. When we apart, thou wilt so glad to hear. We shall remember those who died in Mars. There shall not darkness in the sun. The victory is on all sides and God protect us from the eating before. Guide all our movements, lest we go astray. Give us the strength to live the good of His word, to live and walk, to cast the cross each day. Lift us up, to stop witness with us, to make this time oh, nada. Land of the righteous side. John Novine, my originality. Land of the righteous side. Land of the righteous side. Biafra, my home, my fatherland. Biafra, land of the We are children of the Most High, called by the name of God, the Creator. One man from the east, south, and the middle, great Biafran people. We take it to idol worship and we lost the face of our God. And we were lost in idol worship and the British entered there. Trading on the Niger, exploiting job people, trading by barter. You give me palm oil and take food to them yesterday. I brought in civilization, brought in job religion, and told us about America, and we embraced them. I never knew them got ulterior motive. With religious pitted the sum of some brethren, with denomination, tear us apart. Building churches, schools and hospitals. We never knew we had to pay this much to be your slaves forever. Oh, nah. So we fought so hard against them systems, fighting against them schism. We fought so hard against them systems, fighting against them schism. But our lives have gone poor. At the very spot we left out when we got. Now it's the time to be restored. Great Biafra be restored. I want freedom for my people. Freedom for Biafra. I know Biafra. Land of the rising sun. Land of the rising sun. My home, my father. The descendants of Abraham. From Father Isaac. The descendants of Jacob. Their price of Galatia. My father.
Why are you people lying? Why don't you tell them they want an independent Biafra? Oh, they're fighting for their freedom. So hold everything to put Biafra on the master of the country. Not our own might, nor power, nor will. They're fighting great and those times.
Back in 1940, amalgamation, colonial master, criminal master, a mercenary soldier named Frederick Lugar, brought together all them captives, including Jah people, them Yorubas and them Ariwas, and so many other people called us Nigeria, Niger area. Oh, Nigeria, people with different religion, different beliefs, yeah, different in culture and tradition, different language, different in everything, overstanding on the reason us to coexist together. Hidden plant of confusion, describe it as oil and the water that can never be done. Planted the cabals, the representatives here in Nigeria, looting all our treasures, colonial external marginalization of the Biafrans. Now is the time for manifestation. Now is the time to be restored. Great Biafra be restored. I want freedom for my people. Freedom for feet, oh, my fatherland. I will live in Biafra. I love your eyes. Yeah, there was a country before the game. Yeah, I love my fatherland. Yes, it's a reality. Biafra is a reality. My originality.
Once again, good morning, fellow Biafrans, lovers of freedom, men and women of goodwill, conscious people wherever you are all over the world. This is Radio Biafra Extra, and we are streaming live through Radio Biafra London, being anchored by the Deputy Leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Mazi Uche Okafor. He is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra State, and Anambra State is Biafra land. Is the man who have assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. And one day you will understand the implication behind those words. He's standing on a deputizing capacity on behalf of our Supreme Leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Prince of Afari Ibeku, heir to the throne of Ibeku Kingdom, the one and only man who stood up to speak for the collective interest of the Biafran people. Nobody commands our loyalty. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does. No politician, no representative, no terrorist, no Boko Haram, no foreign invaders, nobody, as far as the land of Biafra is concerned. And one day, hopefully you people will understand. But is it because he's an angel? No. Is it because he has money to pay us and so we do what we do? No. One of the things I have worked hard in my life is to make sure nobody controls my time. I give it because this is all I have. You don't control my time. And so you dashing me money to come and timbu for you. Why can't I be rich so your children will come and timbu for me, then I dash them money? But why am I bringing that up? Nobody commands our loyalty. It's not because, oh, he's a big shot. No. How many big shots feed Nigerians? But we were in need of a leader, and God sent him. How can we ever appreciate God if not by following the instruction of his servant? But of course, you will not understand. He's not a white man, so you can't see it. It's not your Yoruba pastor. How will you believe? Don't worry. I am George Onyibe. Reverend George Onyibe. Let's not go there anyway. I'm from Abo. Abo is in Delta State. And Delta State is Biafra land. Every piece of land. I'll be one they call degree for you. Maybe your head will come down after this morning. But there is no need. Because with all the degree and the academia we have in Nigeria, in Biafra land, where has he led us to? And sometimes it's a shame anyway. It's a privilege that I serve the indigenous people of Biafra in the capacity of the African Rep and the Nigerian International Coordinator. We must move ahead to acknowledge the Almighty Creator, the one who has set our feet upon this path. We are just answering our calling. To be able to do that, he has to empower us, because he who gives vision also make provision. Whatever we need to do this job and restore Biafra has been given to us already, because it is written in the Bible already. For he has given to us all that pertaineth life and godliness. There is nothing we are looking for to get Biafra that he has not given to us. But if we do not move in his time, many of you will be crushed. And that is the pain we are taking to make sure that in the end, according to the servant of Chukwu Kikabiama, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that everybody will be delivered. You will not understand. You will not understand. But you know, one day, you're going to hear what you have not been told. And those of you who are standing on the right-hand side of Chukwu Kikabiama, you will be glad you did. And those of you who are still battling with the Lord, Chukwu Kikabiama, you can only regret. But he's merciful and just. He's kind and he's going to forgive you. And so, as I acknowledge him, I will simply say, Rapotano no onyono ganefe namonezino nom I give chuku inakuisi ala yarose arosa perape ọrụ aka mmadụ n'ọdị azị ekpere mụ n'onwe m Chineke ka m ga-efe oke mmiri na-ebu ogwe ọgba nkịta okwu juru ọnụ ya o ọwụ ọnụ ya ka m ga-efe ọkaka nke bi n'igwe o mmalite n'ọgwụgwụ anya n'elu ụwa mee ọ bụ ọnụ ya ka m ga-efe o anyị na-aja ya mma o maka n'eziokwu na ọ mara mma o ịhụnanya ya na-gị obiọma ya o juru anya mụnemo ịmakwa n'onwe gị mgbanwe o ọ dịghị onye dị ka gị ịbụ Alfa na Omega anyị niile na-asị na ịdị mma o. You see. And of course, as always, we must move ahead to our topic this morning, which is simply the foreseen danger. The foreseen danger. It is said that the war you prepare for does not kill cripple. The foreseen danger. The man who saw tomorrow, the servant of God, he came because he had seen what is coming. Inevitable. It must come. But the only thing that will bring the end of it is restoration of Biafra. Mark our words. It is only a tree they tell, or you start cutting them down. They stand there. Only a tree. You wake up in the morning, you file your contract before the tree will be looking at you. After filing the tree, you start cutting the tree will be looking at you. It's only a tree. Even goat will not do that. Even goat will not do that. Only a tree. And only a fool will still be after business in the face of full-blown war. Only a fool. Oh, we got to build a house in Ugu Hausa. We got to build a house in Ugu Yoruba. We got to protect our one Nigeria. We got to move forward. We got to lead. Only a fool does that in the face of a blown full war. Go back to the history, or those of you in diaspora, go back to the history of the countries you are enjoying today. You see, they were more rugged than us. They did worse than we can do. Most of them today are trying to see, let's tarnish the image of IPOB. We know the target in this struggle is the Igbo Biafrans. Let's destroy the Igbo Biafrans, let's crush the Igbo Biafrans, and then we can pick all that one after the other. But you can't see this yet as a Biafra. Don't worry. We are Ogoni. What is the square meter of Ogoni land? Ogoni Kingdom. Want to go back to history and check Saruwa? What is the square meter? Tell me your population and tell me the number of people Fulani herdsmen have killed only this month alone, if it has not outnumbered the whole of Ogoni. Truth is bitter. I mentioned. Check the population of how many communities that have been wiped away from Inzon. As I'm speaking to the many community at Go City, how many of the people that have been remaining, I must say. And then tell me, just be sincere and tell me how many that will remain. And sometimes you people don't understand the truth. Yes, I am from Abo, and I can tell you the whole Igbo tribe in the world, the Abo people, the Ka people have the largest landscape. But you won't believe it. Go and after today, but our population is threatened. And when I look at it, I ask somebody, I say, how did our father acquire all this land here? And look at our number, it's dwindling because we are going to Yoruba church. They are telling us many things. Japan is great today, its population. India is great today, its population. America is trying to breed population. Britain can buy you pregnant for them, become a baby fratty for them to grow their population. But you are there claiming CC. You want your breast to stand. You want your husband to enjoy your gene. But in the end, you will age. You will age. I no get sense. Our leader since 2014 has divinely foreseen, and he warned us about what is coming. You see, some of you, when you listen, you will not understand. But one day you will understand. Because I personally don't understand. Around 2014, and our leader came on radio like this and start shouting, they are bringing the Fulani herdsmen to Ekurobia. They are pretending to be prisoners. These people are Boko Haram. They just come to spy our land. They are not prisoners. Watch out. Most of you must have forgotten. And there are people who dash it away. Don't mind it. Nayangudu, Ikulimado, Wane Regina Gari Benine, Asare Dokobo, Wana Lina Aba. They are trying to become warlord of George Unibi, or warlord of who? Thunder will fire all of you. Come and be warlord, because you never know what is coming for you. How can your house be on fire? You are chasing rats. There are some lunatic, hopeless people. Go and look at them now. They pay them 2,000. And then very grown-up men like that with such large stomach, without brain. I say, hey, Kwelemado, hey, Gachani, hey, Kwelemado. Don't go and do that for Abalibe. As far as you are a politician in Biafra land, forget about who you are. If I finish saying it, Fulani can go and kill Abalibe. But nobody has really represented the Biafran people since I was born like Abalibe. But do I know him? I don't know him. I think I like his appearance anyway. He's a gentle rock, you know. Nobody, none of you. So when you are yapping and bamboozling, now you know. You will call me according to Yoruba. That is your business. But understand, he have been telling you, oh, they are here, Boko Haram are here. This is what they want to do. All of you are balancing. You are shopping. Ekweremadu, stop eating yam in Germany. German don't produce yam. Come to Enugu and eat yam. Fulani herdsmen chase him out. And some lunatics are there. Ibo Ekweremadu, Ibo Ekweremadu. You see how stupid you are. 2000. Then they promise you presidency Igbo 2015. Why I'm saying all these things is you will know the truth. May it never be too late for you in Chukwuka Kabiama's name. You see. To stop them from renewal of their oil well, they will stop at nothing. Look at how they remove Obama. It's unbelievable. I mean, how they remove Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. American president do that. Now, let me tell you, in as much as I have respect for America, because this, I believe, is supposed to be a Christian nation. I believe. But what they are doing, we are still monitoring them. Recently, I don't want to say anything there because what do they call them? They say Nigerians. Let it remain Nigerians. And they start naming 80 Nigerians who are 419 in America. And lo and behold, out of the 80, I have been studying those names. I have been googling that name, America. And I've discovered that two of them, one is Yoruba, one is Igbo Yoruba. And it's amazing. Tomorrow, the American CFBI will concoct name and tell you, oh, they are Igbo, because they want to undermine us. It better be not your target, because you are not ready for what is coming for you. Because FBI and every other security, respected or renowned security agents across the globe know the atrocity of Nigeria. They live in our embassies. They know what they are doing. They are aware that Nigerian project Yoruba and Fulani and saboteur from Biafra land to cover the evil committed against us. But I'm not going there anyway. So when you are yapping, we are monitoring all of you. Because in the end, you will think that thing that is holding you is still there. You are gone already. Don't deceive yourself. But am I talking to you this morning? Because if Biafra come today, I would like to live in America. One, because of the English. I'm going to speak it here, man. Fuck you, man. Get out, man. You know, we're going to men everywhere. We men. Because it runs in our DNA. But don't disgrace yourself. It doesn't matter who you are. Don't disgrace yourself. All of you have cockroaches in your cupboard waiting for all of you. And then, it's Igbo. Look at Abiku Dabiri. He can't spoil Nigeria in a name. But of course, true, there are some hopeless Igbo people, some hopeless Ijaw people. And do you know how much Asare Dokubo collect? So I'm not saying what they said is wrong. I'm just saying that they should be very sure that that name they are publishing or whatever they are doing are correct. Because we are taking record. But of course, anybody who commit crime, offender will pay for it. But don't be a hopeless person. I say I don't want to go there. So when you talk about fraud, think about this in the decent fraud, criminality, and stealing acts happening in Biafra land. But of course, we will attend to people at the right time. Let's go before I digress further. The Fulanis will stop at nothing to stop the renewal of oil. People are not seeing this. Goodluck was chased out of office by President of America, Obama. Just so Fulani and British government can still control the oil. Today, come and talk about renewal of oil well. Maybe they have renewed it and allocated it to themselves again. You are there telling me we are Ogoni. You have to give us chop money. We are in jail. You have to give us pocket money. Yes, we are the security guarding the pipeline. You have to settle us. Only a tree they tell they want to kill you, and then you are still standing. Be standing. We're intellectual. Is that not what you will tell me next? You are intellectual. Or your father is a criminal. He has bought house for you somewhere in UK. I say you are a big boy. The video is playing music for you. Don't just reason and understand what is coming. Because your children and the children after them will suffer and pay dearly for it. He said they will kill us and nobody will say anything. Is it not happening today? There are people who have been mobilized under 2000. Come and boost the image of Ekweremadu. Ekweremadu, if he has sense, does not need to boost his image. We respect him. We're just not happy that he's going to eat yam in Jamnen when Fulani herdsmen are ravaging his village. But the little money he stole, he shared to 2015, the same way they deceive you through election. I able chimpanzee, I able chimpanzee, I able menora, I able ndine. Why have you people not published the woman killed in Enugu? Let me tell you how it works. When Fulani enter Yoruba land, they kill one, they kill two, they kill three. Yoruba knew there was an issue on ground. Yoruba wrote letter to the Sultan of Sokoto. Since they wrote the letter to Sultan of Sokoto, killing in Yoruba land moved to Enugu. You see how people talk. You see how people talk. If Ike Ekweremadu, if Nayangodu, and all those hopeless 2,000 naira group of criminals, you can write a letter to Sultan of Sokoto. I tell you, you will be in DSS dungeon now. But there is something Yoruba know you don't know. The earlier you know it, the better. And that thing you need to know is the only saving grace for us as a people is to join IPOB. Politicians cannot help you. Your governors cannot help you. All of them have been indicted. Their hands are soaked with the blood of our people. If they dare make a move, they will rot in jail. And so they can't help us. Don't let them deceive you. Only IPOB have not soiled their hand. I pray day and night. I search the faces of the God and say, Father, the people who hold this struggle, don't let them to soil our name. Don't let them to compromise. And that is our leader, Amaz Uchimefo. Any other person, you are a bagger, including me. Make una wake up. Nobody will save us. This is a danger that have been foreseen, predicted, and prophesied by our leader, Mazen Nandekano. You are still doing, you're going to do it this way, you're going to do it that way. Can't you get it? Ordinary letter of Yoruba to Nigeria. Killing moved to Enugu. Now Nayangodo is from Enugu. Ike Ekweremadu is from Enugu. Let them write later now. But you were warned. Don't forget that. Every tribe in Nigeria must stand up and defend their land. Because if you think there is any other agenda outside the Fulani British government agenda, then think again. Today, I'm not restricting it to Biafra. Oh, we are Yoruba, we are Duduwa, you are enjoying seaport and international airport and tide road and some 10% from Biafra land. It's okay. You are not in the list. If Awosa can be destroyed and relegated to the background, if Awosa can only have a name but don't exist, you think you will be safe. Today is amazing. When we talk, we say Awosa people, honestly, I can only blame you for your stupidity. But we know what you have done. You're not bad, I must tell you, Awosa. But we blame you because you are very stupid. You are animal. You don't have sense. Because for you to allow all the way from Futajalon to control, dominate you, give you king, decide how you live, the gutter you will sleep in, under the bridge you will sleep in, the kind of watermelon or yam to sell, the kind of Igbo or Tramadol to take, and you are comfortable, it's a shame. Check the history of all the people ruling Nigeria from the north. All of them are Fulanis. So where are the Hausa? They are gone. They reduce them to common Bambeyala. Bambeyala, give me Ikobo, Bambeyala. I'm sorry. The new generation of Hausa must stand up and resist the Fulani. Because it's coming everywhere. No agenda as far as Nigeria is concerned. The only agenda is British Fulani agenda. The Yoruba should be ashamed of themselves because they are coming for you. It's just a matter of time. They divide us and say, okay, let's leave Yoruba first. You know, if problem come out now, they will be the one that will help us lie. The word we believe. Then you see Biafra now. You go to Bayelsa now, their population is 300,000. If you go to Delta now, their population is 250. Then when you reach River State now, their population is 400. It's not because the river indigenous out to 400. You know, many Biafrans live there, so they are 400. But do you know that in only Imo State, you have almost 30 million inside that bush? They say, whoa, you don't mean it. Do you know that in only Anambra you have almost 600 million? They say you cannot repeat it again. And when they discover this truth, they say, okay, let's leave a Delta, let's leave a Bayelsa, Cross River. Have you heard reasonable person speak from Cross River State? That is because Cross River State is almost gone. Cross River State is almost gone. Akwa Ibom are still have people who can speak for them. At least Philippe Fion's son can come out and tell you about Biafra. That is Ojukwu family. Bianca, your own ERG is waiting for you. Shame on all of you. Philippe Fion stood the line when the heat was too much. When somebody have to do something for something to happen. Philippe Fion said to Ojukwu, leave, let me hold the war. With a few good men left, they planned. Ojukwu made one request. I said, promise me you will watch over my children. The same plane that took Ojukwu out of Biafra land took Philippe Fion's children out. And Philippe Fion, as a general that he is, died honorably. He's the only person who refused to collect money from Nigerian government. You think he's stupid? He told them as a general he was never conquered in war. Why did Nigeria not bury General Philippe Fion? But because Ojukwu children don't have sense, hopeless animal everywhere, you are burying Ojukwu with the Biafran flag. Our respect remains for him for all eternity. But what I'm telling you is stop deceiving yourself. They know what they are doing. They have concluded, okay, the Igbos have more population. We have to stop them. That is why every day Igbo. And some hopeless people who are Biafrans have said, hey, Igbo. You know, they say that time they say Igbo. You are pointing to yourself. But we've seen this danger already. A leader has prophesied. He has said everything to you. Everything sayable, he has said it. We are coming here to bear testament. John the Baptist have to say everything he has to say because he's the voice in the wilderness preparing the way of God. Mazen Nande Kanu has said whatever he has said. Mazuche Mefo come to endorse it. And now we are bearing testament to that fact because in the presence of two or more witnesses, his matter is established. Can't you get it? If you like, get sent. If you don't like, no get sent. Collect 2,000 and come and think. All of you who voted late Buhari into office, how market? Every tribe in Nigeria must stand up. They divided us already. Hausa is not a problem to Fulani and British government. Yoruba, they still need the support. And then you come to Biafra nation, they dividing us into three. The ones that call themselves Niger Delta and Delta Niger, South is one group that will be taken care of later. The next group is the Saboteur, which are under their control already. People like Nayamudu, Ike Kurimado, and all those your fraudulent politicians. The other group is the group of Biafra. That is the only thing. IPOB, they don't know how to handle it. Honestly, they say, we will handle them. Come and handle us. We are waiting for you. But am I talking to you? Fulani is not my problem. British government is not my problem. Not Yoruba, not to talk of Hausa. Not even the saboteurs. Because this is the same thing Ifajona did. And when Ojukwu took action against Ifajona, some hopeless animal from Enugu said, oh, how can you kill Ifajona? You opened the door for Fulani to invade Biafra land. Enugu people. Enugu people opened door. I'm not talking about this generation of Enugu because I know many of them. In fact, some of the people who motivate me to be in this study struggle is from Enugu. But I'm talking about that generation of 1967 and 1970. Hey, how can you kill our wife? Today, now look at what is happening. And you opened door for Fulani. You pointed house for house and told Fulani where to kill. Nayamodo was a product of rape, so are his children and his lineage. They've sowed the seed among you. Jaguale. But don't worry. And so when people in Cross River, River State, and all that saw that Enugu open border, everybody open border. Ichinamadu buiwu. Today, the same trend is going on. Hey, some hopeless people will be telling me, oh, Ibn Naya, Awusa will chase you out now, Ibn Naya, mad people. You think I'm here so you like me or you hate me? It's your business. Shut me up, you will shut up. Now, let me tell you how it works. When the Juku finishes work, everybody thought that is the end of Biafra. Uwazurike came. Before he was tried, tested to be proven, he gave in. We kept quiet. And God brought Nnamdi Kanu, our supreme leader. And he's doing what he's doing. We can only pray and say, God, we don't want another leader. Let them give us Biafra. We spend so much time. But let me tell you, nobody can stop this movement. Nobody. Nobody. They never born you. You do not know the way of the Almighty Creator. You think we are stupid. History will always repeat itself. Hausa Fulani have been conquered. The British they are gradually replacing them from their homeland. The same thing will happen to the Yorubas. And we, the Biafrans, have been divided against ourselves. That you walk as friend or enemy to the Nigerian. You're just fooling yourself. You will be removed in the end. You can choose to be a one Nigerianist Ejo, a one Nigerianist Akwa Ibomite, a one Nigerianist Aboitarian, a one Nigerianist Ibuitarian. Choose anyone you like. Working for one Nigeria. The man who have foreseen these dangers said, you will come back in shame and in disgrace. Or maybe you don't know. Their message is clear. Without standing up to defend our land, these people will overrun us. Go ahead and celebrate New Year Festival. Go ahead and launder your image. Why the Fulani? Across the globe. They are lobbying, getting weapon across the globe. You are doing New Year Festival. Jubri is going to Japan. They are gallivanting from one country to lobby to get weapon. Don't you know Nigeria want to give West African light? But honestly, for the past 4 years, I've not seen light in my house. And it's amazing Nigeria want to give West African light. Don't you reason? This danger have been foreseen. We communicated to you in different dialect, in different form, in different language. The rest is up to you. But understand, you will receive the salary for your job. How wish you know the people you are dealing with. They are gallivanting everywhere. The next trip now, what do you call it? The next trip now is where is this next trip to Jubri? What do they call it? Is it Japan? Now let me tell you, those Biafra IPOB member in Japan. Let me tell you, if you know what happened in Hiroshima, if you know how China and Japan fought war, if you know the role Britain, Europe play, if you know the role American play, if you know how tenacious and gilibandistic these people stood to enjoy that country, forget about those their Lord that sent to cripple all of you. It's everywhere. They are afraid of tomorrow, including India and all these people trying to tell you, oh, yeah, we are disciplined. We know where they come from. They were not weakling. You are Biafra now, you are in Japan. We know how Japan operates, and we will not break their law. Jubri must be exposed. Japan must reveal the identity of Jubri. Japan must tell us who Jubri is. If not, all of you must storm that venue. Get information where Jubri is coming. Stupid people, they think we are joking here. Now listen to this information for the avoidance of that. Coming from the highest authority of IPOB. It's a special announcement, I must tell you, to all Biafrans, every Biafran in Japan, first of all. The formidable IPOB family in Japan is hereby placed on direct order to ensure that the imposter Jubri el-Sudani, masquerading as the late dictatorship Muhammadu Buhari, is arrested and handed over to the authorities when he set his foot on Japan. Get it clearly. That's Dombi in Aso Rock, that Sudanese man who Britain has helped them to modify different version. We have all of them. If he put his leg in Japan, an IPOB formidable member in Japan, don't stone him. We want to go to court in Japan. We've been to court in London. Hopefully, we are in court in America. We are in court in Francophonie and England. We want to be in court in Chonchonch. Oh, well. We want to be in court there. You people stone him. If they kill you, let them kill you. If they take you to court, we want to go to court there. Let Japan tell us that they too want to pretend they don't know that man is not Buhari. Because posterity will judge all of us. This is a standing order from IPOB leadership. Don't forget I'm a member of the DOS. And this order is being given to you, not because I have the power to make privacy, but I am speaking on behalf of the supreme leader. Agune Chenora, one of Biafra land. Those of you Biafra, you know you are Biafra. Look for the venue where Jubri is going to land. How long are they going to be fooling us? Hopeless animal. You think it's only Rigi we are waiting for? All of you don't know what is coming for you. Bit by bit. The same way you did to us, we will undo you. The honorable Japan nation must understand that the person coming to visit them is never the dictator Buhari who died in Aso Rock. This is a copy, a dumb baby, a robot made by British government, impersonator. His name is El Sudani. He's from Sudan. He's the president of Nigeria, parading himself as a hopeless animal saying Iriji. He must be stoned. He must be stoned. Because we need to be arrested. DNA test must be run on that man. You think there is anywhere people are running from? This is a standing order for you, formidable IPOB member. Jubri El Sudani must not put his leg on that soil of Japan. He is not only fake president, he is wanted for mass murder and crime against humanity. For the role he previously played, for the role he is still playing in the genocide in Biafra land. I have told you yesterday. Look at all these people who say they are Boko Haram. Look at all of them and tell me that any of them can be able to beat up a Biafran woman. These are Nigerian army terrorists. They are. Under the Japanese law, an imposter is a common criminal and subjected to citizen arrest. As far as that Japan is concerned, an impersonator is a common criminal, picking pocket. El Sudani, claiming to be Nigerian president, going to Japan, is a common criminal according to Japan law. He must be treated as one. He must be arrested publicly. That is what Japan law say. So don't be afraid and say, no, we just need Japan to test his DNA. Let the whole world, let Britain be exposed. Let all the people, he say, we talk to the president of Nigeria. Look, why Americans are running away from Jubri? Because they don't want to be part of it. Japan certainly are not that stupid to be part of this fraudulent. So when you see El Sudani, let them put a nuclear weapon. He must be stoned. His DNA must be tested. And we must be sure that is late Buhari walking corpse, hopeless people. But I hope you will understand what you are saying. Under Japanese law, an imposter is a common criminal and subjected to citizen arrest. International diplomatic protocol, as it relates to visiting head of state, is not applicable in this instance because whosoever Abakeyari is sending to Japan is not the real Buhari. We must make sure he is apprehended, handed over to the police in Japan. Any legal fallout emanating from this confrontation will end up in the Japanese court, where we will be able to establish before the world that Jubri indeed is fake Buhari. Yoruba, save your people. Ijo, save your people. Ogoni, Urobu, Ishekiri, all of you, this is the time to rise up and save our land. This is the time to rise up and save your people. They said Jubri, El Sudani, is going to Japan, and therefore it's a standing order. Formidable IPOB member, all over Japan, arise. Arise, let us prove to the world that the man in Aso Rock, is from Sudan, is an imposter. And as such, according to Japanese law, is a criminal. We must go to court with him. Nigerians are not going anywhere. We are Biafrans. This war they have brought to our doorstep, we must fight it to the finish. We must fight it to the finish. Nobody can sweep our history under the carpet. I'll be back in a minute.
United Nation, you gave us law of self-determination. We followed your principles in freedom fighting. But why does the life of a black man doesn't matter to you all? Biafrans are being massacred in large quantities. Instead of getting help from you people, you got us shooting.
This is the story of Biafrans who died on the road of freedom. This is the story of the motherless searching for a lovely home.
They were shot by the military. No one knew what it all began.
A painful history, living a life of misery. United Nations, why did you let the children die? United Nations, why did you let the children cry? United Nations, why did you let the Africans fall? United Nations, why did you let the children fall? Did you let the children fall? Did you let the children fall?
We are known for being blunt about the truth. Veteran and world bodies can't even deny this obvious proof that these kids were starved to death. None of them were left. Together we stand against this ruthlessness.
You made us believe in you, you gave us your word, and now they are killing us and spilling our blood.
Pain and misery, we've had enough. We've had enough. UN and the USA stand up for once. We've had enough.
We have been mourning our turn in all the zones. Since the crashes of those great nations, we still haven't grown. We cannot stack in the stops. Back, yes. We need to go back to our home, yeah, our home.
What is a missing human being? And what is a crime? That's not letting our environment. Emperors are suffering every day. What more can we say if that's the price that we must pay? We must pay. And I'm so disappointed in USA, UN, and the government. That's why I say
United Nations, why did you let the children die? United Nations, why did you let the children cry? United Nations, why did you let the Africans fall? United Nations, why did you let the children fall? Did you let the children fall? Did you let the children fall? They are killing us every day. Only God will save our lives. And you will never get to allow your life go. Let the blood of death crying in the wilderness. I had to shed blood of their grandchildren. Crying loud.
Protest the people, you see and watch them killing people. I got no much to say, but one thing I must say, yes. Stop the fight for world stats.
They give me my life back. I'm locked up in bitterness.
My eyes are red and swollen, but no one can see the tears in my eyes. My people keep on falling. Maybe someday they will come back to life.
United Nations, why did you let the children die? United Nations, why did you let the children cry? United Nations, why did you let the Africans fall? United Nations, why did you let the children?
Of course, at this moment, our lines are open. Our WhatsApp line is 07081545642. Our WhatsApp line, I repeat again, is 07081545642. Our direct line is 08122152971. And the special number for the female is 08128858614. Special number for the female, 08128858614. Our direct line once again 081-221-52971, and our WhatsApp is 081-070, I beg your pardon, 815-456-42 is our WhatsApp line. Please, the only road leading us home is IPOB. Anywhere you are in the world you have not joined, I am asking you to look for IPOB family closer to you right now and join. You have been searching, you don't know how to join. I have told you before now. Type your name. Say, my name is anything you want to be known. Tell us your location and your phone number. These three information is vital. Write it in a single note. Don't say, I am Jumbo, you send. I am 080, you send. I am in Ghana, you send. No, I won't attend to you. Follow simple instruction. And secondly, when you call me and I pick your call, move away from your radio or turn down your radio set, or I will cut you off. And when there is like 7 mistakes, I will not pick call again. Let us go and sleep. We must learn to be disciplined, even when it comes to the tiniest issue. This is what makes Japan great. And that is why Buhari, Jubri must be disgraced in Japan. Because they value discipline. I'm not saying they are totally disciplined. This will prove whether what we think about them is actually right or wrong. They want to see how they can colonize Africa and repair Africa. Who told you we want to be repaired? That is why we are happy Sudani is going to Japan. Let us see how technology works. IPOB in Japan should get ready. In fact, there are people going there with Jubri. They are waiting for you, Jubri. Come and land in Japan. They are waiting for you already. Mad people. You think we are here to talk about ERG? You do anyhow, you see anyhow. This is Radio Biafra Extra for the avoidance of that, and I remain George Onibe. Call and WhatsApp, are you still there?
Yes, Mazi. Good morning, Mazi Onibe.
Good morning from here. Go ahead, please.
My name is Awele. I'm calling from Dubai. I am from Asaba province. Mazi, our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he said this thing that these Fulani people are doing, that they are coming to kill us. He said it in 2014, I remember. They will kill us, must rape our women, and nobody is going to speak for us. They will arm them. I remember when he said it, and nobody is going to speak for us, and it's happening today. And that useless thing they call Namanwodo. They call itself Namanwodo. This same person, we are going to beat him anywhere I see him. Anywhere I see that man, I will beat him. Since he said anybody that will touch any outside man first, they have to beat him. I will kill him if possible. I'm close to him. Our people are betraying us, and that is why we need to preach this gospel of restoration, so our people will understand what IPOB is doing. They are fighting for betterment of our people, and not the useless politicians to send there that are serving the Fulefus instead of serving the Biafran people. I don't want to speak much because there are other people, Biafrans, that want to also speak on Radio Biafra. Thank you, Mazi.
We must continue. I am Buhari. I'm going to Japan. The people escorting you are with you already. Come to Japan. We will tell you that. Look at German. German made it clear. What they are doing is their right to self-determination. They have the right to question you. Why are they killing us? All of you, we have German knew this. And you see, I'm falling in love with German now. I can't believe it. But tomorrow they lie. I will hate them. Let Japan prove themselves. But of course, I know Japan is laid on the foundation of principle of discipline. Jubri, come there. We are waiting for you. Many planes will land there with you. No German security, no Japanese security will escape you. You must be. We will stone you openly so that we go to court in Japan. We will break Japan law to expose you as Sudani and hopeless Nigerian animals. IPOB family in Japan. Osetiana, give us order. Give us order. Osetiana, Ndioshi. Osetiana, Ndioshi, Awaga Shiba Poor. Hey, Buhari is going to Japan. We are waiting for you in Japan. Mad people. If Jubri have not murdered our people, even though he's an impersonator, we will ignore him. Let him be fooling the Yorubas and the Hausas. But for you to dare to put your hand in the blood of our people, even in your grave, you will pay dearly for it. Buhari is still feeling the pain. Give us order, give us order. Talking. It don't start to. I hope your mother is ready. And your father is ready. because it's not going to go down that way. Impersonator is in Asu Rock will be going to Japan. IPOB family member in Japan, get ready to welcome him. In Japan, they see 419 as common criminal. If Donald Trump of America is a 419 and he goes to Japan, he will be treated like a criminal. And so who the hell is Jubri? Caller on the line, are you there?
Hello, Mazo. Good morning, sir.
Yes, is that a woman or a man?
It's a woman.
Oh, Agungwani. Pardon. In fact, when you call me, just say Agungwani on the line.
Agungwani on the line.
Confirm. Go ahead, please. That is your line. Go ahead, man.
Okay. Naked me, Nai, Mazo, Nandi, Kano. Maka ihe ọma ọ na-emere anyị nwa ndị Biafra. Anyị nwa na-ekele George Oyibe maka mgbasa ozi ọma ọ na-agbasoro anyị nwa ndị Biafra. Aha m nwụ Nkiru Ụka nshi n'ala akpa mba atọ na-akpọ. Mazo,
yes, the word is listening. Go ahead, please.
Okay. Nekele ndị akpa anyị. Ndị akpa teta nọ n'ụra. Unu na-anụ ihe ndị Fulani herdsmen na-eme obodo ndị ka ọzọ. Unu nụrụ ha nọ na-egburu mmadụ Enugu. Nnukwu many places ebe a na-egbu mmadụ. Unu ahụla ha ebe Euriog, na-ahụ ha ebe Egberegbelu, na-ahụ ha many places na-ekwu okwu. Ha chebiri anyị ebe next year ga-arụ ọrụ anyị Egbelu. Unu ga-ahụ na ha nọ ebe ahụ. Unu nyere na anyị aka chụpụrụ na anyị ndị ahụ. Unu chọrọ ibupụtara anyị ndị Hausa Fulani n'obodo unu. Biko unu nye aka. Anyị na-ekwu okwu maka ndị akpa. Unu na-apụta maka ihe Biafra. Unu hapụ ihe politiks ọ ga-enyere anyị aka. First okezi ikpeazụ promise anyị na anyị ga-eme ka anyị ga-eme ka enwe ihe mere anyị. The second na promise akụ na enwe ihe mere anyị. Dịkwa na ebe anyị niile enwe ihe a na-arụ arụ. Mmadụ na-akagbula onwe ya n'ahụhụ. Ịgachi ọrụ enwe ihe ga-emeta. Due to ihe isi ike ndị Abia steeti. Then ụzọ anyị eme n'ogu. Kwa Igbo chọọchị enwe ọbụla ọrụ. 1 year agawala ọfụla 3 years. Biko na n'aka. Aha anyị na-achọ egwu unu. Biko Maazị na-ekele gị. Maazị na ihe m na-ekwu.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it. We must continue.
Thank you.
Yes. And I can see on Facebook platform there, our brother John Quest in the BC, send that information to the WhatsApp, because certainly nobody will entertain it on Facebook. The wrong person can contact you. Don't forget there are DSS and hopeless Nigerian security Boko Haram agent there. So this information should go to what do you call it? To your our WhatsApp line. Please, very important. That is what is there. Then we must continue. Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from? Agungwani, go ahead, please.
Odogwu n'anya ka m gwakwa gị wo akwaga Agụnwanyị online. Ana m ekele gị ụtụtụ ọma n'ụtụtụ a. Nakwa ekele Nnamdi Kanu ikuku ama n'ọnya. Nakwa ekele Uche Mefo. Onye na-agwakwa gị n'ụtụtụ a sị nna ya Nwodo onye kwuru okwu sị data onye ọbụla metụrụ Fulani ga-epu ụzọ metụ ya nwa aka. Chukwu okike abịamụ ga-anọnyere m. Aga m agara ya mkpọrọ. Aga m achọrọ Nwodo gaa na be ya. Ọ bụrụ na nwere ike ime ka m mara ebe Nwodo bi, aga m achọrọ Nwodo gaa na be ya. M ga-eme sure that na Nwodo isi ahụ bara n'ala. Also over his dead body. Modo will go down. I na-eche ha na Japan. I na-echekwa ha n'ala Igbo. Modo ị ga-anwụ ọnwụ ike. Agụ nwaanyị ise na ị ga-anwụ ọnwụ ike. Nigerian government asị na unu ga-anwụ ọnwụ ike. Jubril Esudani ị ga-anwụ ọnwụ ike. Ndị ahụ na-romance with Nigerian government n'ala Aba unu ga-anwụ ọnwụ ike. Ndị ahụ na Nigerian bribe n'azụ ghara ime ka anyị nweta ihe anyị chọrọ unu ga-anwụ ọnwụ ike. Agụ nwaanyị na-eme unu ka unu mara na ose etuola. Nye anyị ọda ngwanụ ọ dị enyela. Mana Aba, mana ala Igbo, mana Japan, the order has been given. Chain of command and control. Chain of command and control. Modo, you will die. Modo, you will die. Modo, you will die. Modo, you will die.
Of course, we lost that caller, but we must continue. Caller on WhatsApp, are you there? Caller on WhatsApp, are you still there? Of course, we lost that caller, but we must continue. Biafran people must understand that it is now or never. Caller on WhatsApp, are you still there?
Yes, sir. Am I coming out clear?
Loud and clear now. Go ahead, please, and thank you for holding on.
Thank you, my African rep, Mazin Todonibe. Good morning to you, sir. It's me again, Chinasa Obiona, calling from India, and as usual, I have come to talk to all Biafrans in India. Oh yes, my African rep, I must tell you that some of our people don't know yet that this is a new era, the era of accountability, the era of Okezi Kanzo, Willow Bino, Devil Mai, Efani Ogwani, Ike Kweremado, Chris Ngige, Ojos Okalo, Nyawodo, and the rest of them. That era is outdated. They need to sit back or support IPO. The era of Biafra men and women dying in desert and Red Sea, our youth being murdered by Nigerian terrorist government in streets of Biafra without anyone doing anything about it, that era is over. A good life and bright future depend on choices you make today. And a good choice will reflect your present and to your future generation. So be wise if you are from Abo. Be wise if you are from Calabar. Be wise if you are from Major. Be wise if you are from Ebanke Idoma. Be wise if you are from Wafibo. Come and join the new era. IPOP is the future. Call us on this number to join us in our family meetings across India. Call this number 9650554243. I repeat, 9650554243. And another number 8800133187. I repeat, 8800133187. If you are in Mumbai, New Delhi, Goa, Gurugram, Greater Noida, Bangalore, Faridabad, call this number. Our coordinators will direct you to the family unit nearest to your location. Call this number and join your brothers and sisters in our family meetings. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you,
Thank you, my African.
We must continue. Thank you very much. Are you there, caller on the line? Go ahead, please. Good morning from here.
Okay. When I was the governor, I was the chief or whatever. I just see that I protect your wife. America, Banya, Ilito. And in his land, okay, on that Bundy, doing the name with the landing of what I carry and I go. Here, my name was there. I just mama the puchi in the condition and the power youth. So I think was in the also I went to George on it. Oh no Kaloma Kana Boge, Jafran Kari African him and he boogies and I sick of Africa, not the sick of Nigeria. I just really play politics. Oh no Kaloma and I George Jafra Kari African African of Jafran. So I can continue to try.
Thank you very much. And God be with you. Our target has always been we deliver. We are called to do a job. We do the job. We don't gossip. Nobody takes a kingdom by words. You take it by your action. You don't go and drink coffee and say, I Nacho Biafra, because you are related to Chimefo. That is your business. The name means nothing to us. Our freedom is all we want. May God help all of us. Are you there, caller on WhatsApp?
Yes, Master George Onibe. Good
Go
morning,
ahead,
sir.
please. Go ahead.
Yes, sir, Master. My name is Che Mwanwoki Keogochukwu, calling from India. I hail from Mumbai. Mumbai is in Olu province, Biafra land. Master, please permit me to appreciate Chukwu Kikabe and acknowledge our leader, Master Namodo Okukanu, Onye Eziokwu. Nwoke kwuru eziokwu Nigeria kpụdo ihu na Chukwu okike abịa ma ya ekele na ga-eze pụrụ ime ihe niile onye naanị ya bụ ezigbo Chineke Chukwu na-ekwe nkwa mee ya Chukwu ma ndị nke ya eze ndị eze anyị nọ n'ime ya were nwee mmeri nara ekele nara otito n'isi nwa oru gị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu deputy Maazị Uche Mofo. My leader name is Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Chukwu okike abịa ma bless him with his name Kanu butere ya ụzọ kpetere ya azụ ekwena ka ndị iro ndị ajọ onye ndị na-achọ ọdịda anyị ka ha hụ anyị anya kama ka ha hụ dị ka ọ dị ha n'aha Chukwu okike abịa ma pụrụ ime ihe niile ise Maazị, thank you very much, my brother. You know, Nigeria is a thing of past. We are not talking about Nigeria again. And my happiness is all these governors calling themselves leaders. Those countries they have preferred to travel is where we have die-hard call Biafran. Die-hard call Biafrans. All those countries they have chosen to travel is where those that have decided, those that have been injured, those that have been wounded because of their condition, because of what they did to us. Some of us, we have been wounded. When some of us, we have been encountered in the government, in the countries we are in, where they will be asking you, why do you have heart or mind to do such thing? You will be explaining to yourself, sir, madam, this is why you find me in this condition. My country is not good. My government is not good. They are treating us. They are intimidating us. That's why we are running away. That's why we are overstaying in your country. That's why we are doing the things evil in your country. That's why we are doing the things you have said that is not existing. Even those ones that some countries have been put in, if you do it, you must die. Our people are taking that risk. Because of what? Just to survive. That where they come from, they don't have any power to speak. No freedom of speech. We have many things to better our life. But do you know what our government are coming out to tell the countries? That we are lazy. All those people fighting for their freedom, they are lazy. They don't want to join for what they are doing. What are they doing? Cheating people, killing people, raping our mothers, killing our youths, bringing us down. If you want to speak, they will kill you. If they find out that you are against them, they will kill you. And those countries that is listening to them, we are saying right now, we are the Nigeria is telling them that representing Nigeria is telling them is a lie. They are not representing us. We are suffering. So those countries they are planning to go, it is our time now, IPOB, Biafrans all over the world. Our time now to prove ourselves right. It is our time now to tell those countries that what we will be telling them is the truth, that our government, they are treating us bad. By doing what? By insulting them, by knowing where they are arriving. We will hit them. We will do them anything to prove ourselves right. Because all those countries are watching now. Yes, they know the truth, but we will not sleep again. We will fight for our right to the end, and the Biafra must come. May God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. May God bless my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you are coming in this platform to call my leader Kalu, you will give a woman a name, she will answer it forever and ever. You will remember that name. Our leader's name is Nnamdi Kanu. Kamanu Ozuzu. May Chukwu Okike bless him. Bless all the whole principal officers, Biafrans all over the world. In Chukwu Okike name.
Thank you very much.
You say, oh, hey, Biafra.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
Thank you for giving
we must continue. Are you there, caller on WhatsApp? Caller on WhatsApp, are you there? Yes, go ahead.
The fearless lion with no limit, I greet you this morning. My maximum respect to our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Uche Mefo, and including yourself, Jonathan, Dr. Justice, everybody that is working assiduously for the restoration of Biafra. I have a message for all these Igbo leaders and governors that the Hausa Fulani is using. I want them to have reference to what has happened to Dr. Iwu, the former INEC chairman. How can you accuse somebody of 1.something billion fraud? And he has to bail himself with 1 billion. Nobody that have served Hausa Fulani, no Igbo man that have served Hausa Fulani that have come back themselves. No Igbo man that have been used by Hausa Fulani, please excuse my language, like a pampas that did not come back covered in blood. Our people should learn from history. Our people should learn from history. People should understand that this present day IPOB is not joking. We are ready to die. We are ready to die. They should read the handwriting on the wall. They should smell the coffee. If somebody like you living in the zoo is not afraid to come out in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening to deliver this wonderful program that you're doing, then people should know that we are fed up. We are ready to die. We will fight to the end. God bless you, my dear brother. Keep on the good work. I listen to you every time. I was frustrated last night with what was happening with our people not connecting to you and you have to switch off. I was so frustrated because, I like to listen to you all the time.
Some of them are very lousy. That is why we are taking our time to make sure their head comes back. Somebody think we are relaxing. You will not come here and you are talking to me with romantic voice. What does that have to do with what we are doing here? It's amazing, my brother. It's amazing.
My brother, I wrote on a tweet some time ago. I said, when Biafra comes, there will be need for mass adult education. There will be need for mass adult education.
It's not going to be mass adult education. Mass adult discipline. Discipline. The mercenaries of discipline have been removed from Nigeria. And many people don't see the value of being disciplined because you behave like Ijubri. You are rewarded. You betray your own people like Nnayawodu. You are rewarded. And so the machinery to instill discipline on people have been removed from the system. They are educated, believe me, because when you interact with one of these people now, you see they are intellectual, but they lack discipline. Thank you very much, my brother.
Biafra is the best thing that has ever happened to us because the information we are getting from you guys, we have not had it before. Like this morning, you told us how the Enugu people opened the door for the Hausa Fulani.
That is when Biafra fall. That is where Biafra fall. They point, in fact, some Enugu people pointed out some family who were defending Biafra, all because of fraudulent Infajona, who took our people to Ijebu there and kill all of them there. And then when we are talking, we are bending them out to say they say we are good people. Good is from where?
My brother, God will bless you people. God bless you, sir. Bye for now.
Yes, sir. Caller on the line. Are you there? Caller on the line.
Martin, good morning.
Good morning. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, thank you for taking my call. My name is Martin Opido Ejonye from Umzike in the province of Biafra land. But I'm calling you from Aba. Mazi, I want to thank my leader, Mazi Nandi Kukanu, and his deputy Uchimefo. And to you, George Onibe, for your tenacity and your visitors concerning this struggle. What is happening in Nigeria this time is unbearable to Biafra, and it's that time Biafra welcome to fight this fight. Concerning Jubi visiting Japan, we trust our people in Japan. They are going to do the needful. And my opinion, it worries me that some people listen to Radio Biafra and they call it Biafra. In fact, if you call it Biafra, if you're not IPB member, call that person off. I don't know why you want Biafra to come, but you don't want to join IPB. You are still yourself. What are you waiting up to them?
No, honestly, the reason why I don't cut them off is I know how frustrating it is for many people to join IPOB. I personally have to be writing to some national coordinators myself. Since the ERG of Ike Kuremado, almost everybody, Biafrans in Germany, want to join the family. And I know most of them returned to me yesterday that they've not been attended to. I have to be writing the coordinator from behind. So honestly, it's not as if those people are not doing their job, but you can imagine the whole Biafrans coming together for the single fact they know the truth, believe me. But then it's not an excuse for any of them. Thank you. Go ahead, please.
Okay. If you go to paper stand, newspaper stand this morning, you see many of our youth gather their gossiping, talking about IPB, talking about Nnamdi Kanu, they love Biafra. You do think Biafra is fall from heaven? You need to struggle, you need to fight. If you are listening to my voice this morning, please, if you know you have never joined IPB, go and look for IPB family and join. Don't see yourself. You want Biafra to come. You love Nnamdi Kanu. You love what IPB do. What are you still waiting for? Do you want us to beg you? And you want good things to come? Don't you know people have to fight for Biafra? You want to go to America. You love America. Don't you know people fought for America? So please, my brother, if you are listening to my voice, you are in diaspora, please, IPOB member, call your people here in Nigeria. Let them come and join us to do what we are doing. IPOB is only platform to give us Biafra. And that's what I want to suggest, please. There's some people are calling this station and say they want to join IPOB. I don't know whether it will be possible to get a day for coordinators.
That means you have not been listening. I have said anybody that want to join IPOB anywhere in the world, send me your name, your location, and your phone number on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, not on Facebook. On WhatsApp, on our WhatsApp line. Now the WhatsApp line is 070-815-45642. It's a WhatsApp line only. And when you send me these three information, we have a forum already where you have all the continental rep and the necessary coordinator waiting to attend to them. Any other medium outside this or your state for you. So there is no other information. Any other information, you are in Biafra land, am I correct? Then the Biafra land coordinator know what to do because he's in that forum. The national coordinator to the west is in that forum. The national coordinator to the northern region of the zoo is in that forum. All the continental reps are there. Creating another platform now is going to cause hulo balo, and that I will not support. Thank you for your suggestion.
You are correct, sir. But what I mean, just land. I'm not talking about people in just here because of security. What I mean, listen to me. What I mean that is a day for coordinator. If they call, maybe those who are listening, some people. They don't have this number.
That is the decision of the Biafran Land National Coordinator, not my decision.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for being my call.
The Biafran Land National Coordinator know what to do. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you. Thank you. I remember two candidates on here from MZK. Thank you. Yeah.
Yes, a caller on WhatsApp. Are you still there?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, Ada.
To all Biafrans in the
Thank you
whole
for
world.
holding on.
Thank you. My name is Ada Wanda Favor. I'm calling from UAE. I want to talk about what happened yesterday, the rally in Enugu State with Ike Gudemad and Pupedia, who see that 2,000 naira. It's a very shameful thing that our people can stoop too low to be paid 2,000 naira in place of those people that have been killed and murdered.
That 2,000 now, there are agents in between them and that.
Those people have been killed. Oh my God.
Some will collect 800,
of course.
400.
And that 2,000 naira, what can that 2,000 naira do for them? Can they feed for 1 week with that 2,000 naira?
One bottle of Hero. That is okay.
It's a very shameful thing. It's a very shameful act, especially to Enugu people. I saw one guy shouting, "I'm from Aninri local government. I'm representing Aninri people." That Ike Ekweremad is our own. You know, it's a very shameful thing to Biafra as a whole. But still yet, we must see saboteurs among us. And the formidable ones, kudos to them. Because I know we are waiting for Jibri. He's going to Japan. God will punish his ancestors. God will punish them. God will punish them. God will punish him and everyone supporting him.
Have you been to Japan?
I've not been to Japan.
Do you know their favorite food? Is it Indomie? Because we have to do.
No, it's noodles.
Yeah,
it's noodles.
Iri noodles. Na Japan. Iri noodles.
Na Japan.
Please, they use cane to eat noodles. Biafra IPOB family, collect cane. Let's give Jubri noodles to eat. Onyoshi. He think it's fooling us.
Don't worry.
Thank you very much, my sister.
It will help. Thank you so much, Judge Onibe. I must commend your work. It's you're doing great for us. God bless you. You know the name I give to you now is Professor, Pastor, Reverend, Doctor Judge Onibe. God continue to strengthen you.
Complete. You didn't put his eminence. He didn't put
eminent. Sorry, pardon me. Pardon me, please.
Because that is what most of them are busy listening to. How can you call him supreme leader? He doesn't know we are the supreme leader. We are warlord in the ocean. You think we are here to joke? People in Japan prepare to eat noodles with Jubri. They use cane to eat, 2 cane, crossing cane. Use it to eat noodle in Japan. Prepare it for him. Flog this man very well. Abakari, bring that Jubri. Let's expose all of you. Hopeless people. Buhari is going to Japan. They are going to discuss how to develop Africa. Thunder fire all of them. You think Japan are stupid? Of course, Japan have to prove themselves. Because when we finish beating Jubri, and Japan cannot take us to their court, and then maybe we will change our topic after that. Hey, I am Buhari. Come, we are waiting for you, Onyoshi. Barawu Dambanza. Are you there? Call on WhatsApp.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Mazi.
Go ahead, the rabbi without a. Where do rabbis stay? Is it church or temple?
Synagogue.
Yes, rabbi without a synagogue. Go ahead, please. The word is listening.
I greet your friends all over the world. Good morning, wherever you are. I'm greeting from United Kingdom. I remain Rabbi Charles. Mazi Onibe, there is something that you said that is very striking this morning. Very, very striking. I have been very, very, enraged by this unseen development or something that has been lying dormant. When you mentioned the family of late Dim Odimegwu Ojukwu, I got upset. I'm angry with the family entirely, every one of them. I am. Nobody knows that I am named. My other name is that man. I'm named after him. Nobody knows that I'm here. I'm rooted that place, so I know what I'm talking about. So when you mention them and what they are doing, I get upset with them, and I'm very, very mad at them. I only honor Ojukwu for what he did
at the age of 30, 33 or 30 something, he stood strong. That
He
what
stood
people
against
of
this bloodied, evil country called Nigeria. He stood against
Yes.
British tyranny.
He
He stood
them,
against
stood
world
against
colonialism
world powers.
masters. He stood against
You
them.
understand?
And then there are
Stood
some
against
lunatics say, hey, we are educated. God
I'm
forbid.
coming. You see where I'm going. And you know, my biggest hero remains late General Philip Effiong. You know, when I met his son in exhibition, I was relieved. All along, I've been asking, where is he? Where is he? If I search, this machine would tell me he's in Dublin. There is another Charles Effiong. I said, where are they? These are my people. Where are they? Are they feeling what I'm feeling? Until I met this man. And I came to realize that this man is very, very more tenacious than what you can even think of.
Let me tell
And
you
I
something.
give all this.
Sorry, let me cut you off a bit.
Yes.
When Philip Effiong was alive, Nigerian government took envelope to him in his village and said, we've passed that stage, let's move ahead. You know, the way they always tell you. And they tell him he should choose any of the contract of his choice. You know, they want to settle him. Philip Effiong sitting on that chair, we call it Agara, that chair you bend and relax.
I know
He looked at those, what do I call them, mercenaries from Nigerian terrorist state and said to them, I am General Philip Effiong. I was never conquered in war. I fought against Nigeria. And Nigeria is not in the position to give me contract. Please go back.
God.
Nigeria was insulted. Since that day, they monitor him till he died. Because what they wanted is the day they see him say anything, they just assassinate him. But he has finished his job. It was Philip Effiong that signed the document that is giving us the platform to talk today. Because in that document, he said to them, if what you did to us today, you do it to the next generation of Biafra, they have the right to start up the same thing again. Though he was surrounded by wonderful men and women across Biafra land. But nobody knew this. And so when he died, they didn't announce it. Tomorrow now, when Nnayamodo die, they will go and bury him in America. And Nnayamodo dead body will travel the world because he betrayed these people. Look at people like General Philip Effiong. You will never hear about their name because they stood for the truth from the beginning to the end. But the message you pass across to them this morning is as simple as ABCD. What these people have done, the very name of their ancestors, it will last beyond the pyramids of Egypt because in 1,000 generations to come, their good deed will never be forgotten. Go ahead, my brother.
Yes, sir.
Sorry for interrupting
you. With this development, I will give gratitude heavily, openly, publicly to the national coordinator of United Kingdom, Mazi Lois Okashi. That man is a silencer, but he's working very, very hard, very, very like a lion. But when you see him, you will know. And when I see something development coming, I said, I will never allow you to do this in this struggle. I have come out in this struggle. I'm a Biafran. It's not about Mazi Onyibe. I will say this. You know me. It's not about mountain. If it's a mountain radio station, Rabashas can mount radio station and television station of high definition of the latest technology. I can do it single-handedly. I'm not bluffing. So what is coming? People should be very, very careful. I'm not following Dr. Lois Okashi, but I commend him. I'm following our Supreme Leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And nobody should write anything and say, oh, court members following this and that. It sounds like Nigerian writing. I read it and I'm very, very disturbed by what is coming up. What I'm going to say about Philip Effiong, Mazi, give me 1 minute. But that man, I'm not going to sing for him. I just want it to lie the way it is. Anything, because of him, when Biafra comes, I think I'm going to live in Akwa Ibom. Wherever he comes from, I'm going to live there. He's my hero. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Mazi. Shalom. My time is almost up. IPOB members worldwide, we have a job to do. We have a nation to deliver. Sincere appreciation to those of you who called in and you went straight to talking, not trying to hear your voice. I love you this morning. My apology to those of you who are still calling because my time is up and certainly I cannot pick any call anymore. We must understand that everything happening today declared by our supreme leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. For 1 good year, he keep giving you this sermon, warning you about what will happen. And most of you refuse to adhere to this simple instruction. We understand everybody will not obey, and so we do not expect all of you to comply, not to concur. But we are simply telling you that we will do what we ought to do, whenever and however. And it has started already. And therefore, I remind the family of IPOB, honorable member of the indigenous people of Biafra in Japan. Japan is a nation built on principle, value for human life, among others. And they don't tolerate imposters. They treat them as common criminals, irrespective of who they are. And so, as Air Sudani, imposter in Aso Rock is stepping into Japan. Those of you moving from Nigeria, moving from Europe, going from America, all of you coming from all corners of the world, Buhari supposedly must be taught a lesson of his lifetime. He must go with Nigerian Boko Haram army to defend him. They must carry AK-47 inside China or Japan. Japan, they must come with AK-47. If not, make sure we go to court with him. It's on Sunday. Of course, you know what to do. Those of you around your destination, you know the location. Most of you don't know that before Buhari died, the people in India beat him up, chased him. They used crane to escape him. Most of you don't know. Hopeless animals. He's a president of Nigeria. He's going to Japan. We are waiting for you in Japan. Because your DNA must be tested. You must speak Fufude. That's wire they connect or they disconnect that are making you not to speak Fufude. They must connect it back in the Oshi. They think we are joking. This is where I round up, and we must continue. Make no mistake about it. The sacrifice of our foreign heroes will never be in vain. We promise them, we pledge to them, on our honor, with our blood, their sacrifice will never be in vain. They will know.
We have crossed our sea. We've gone far in this wilderness. Because few steps ahead. We are no longer in Egypt. We have crossed our seas. We've gone far in this wilderness. Because few steps ahead. When it gets tough to end this nether of our heroes, we not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Not yet may we remember the price of our great heroes. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Inside the wilderness, never open your soul to the wicked one. Penetrate and kill your people. To what we get charged you to say. Inside the wilderness, never sell your soul to the wicked ones. Penetrate and kill your people. God have charged you to say. When it gets tough to end this nether of our heroes, we not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Not yet may we remember the price of our great hero. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Inside the wilderness, never allow yourselves to be used to destroy the innocent souls. God have put in your hands to save. Inside the wilderness, never allow yourselves to be used to destroy the innocent souls. God have told you to save. When it gets tough to end this nether of our heroes, we not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. But yet may we remember the price of our great hero. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. new day, new grace and favor, new peace, especially hope, more closer to our land of freedom. When it gets tough to end this, neither of our heroes will not be burned. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Not yet may we remember the price of a great hero. Heroes, other commercial activities. In period of recession, when it gets tough to end this, neither of our heroes will not be burned. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. When it gets tough to end this, neither of our heroes will not be burned. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Not yet may we remember the price of a great hero. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. This is only property, one love. All hail Biafra.